In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can get approved to sell Lego and other toy brands on Amazon in 2024. If you are new here, my name is Daniel, aka $1 Million Reseller, and I have been a full-time Amazon seller for over 4 years now. I also own a 100% free Amazon community with over 150 active members that you can join, also linked down in the description along with on my page. I would love to have each and every one of you there. Keep in mind that when you get approved to sell Lego on Amazon, it will allow you to sell Lego and other toys and games, but it will not unlock every single toy brand, meaning that you may need to submit another invoice for other brands such as Barbie, Hasbro, Transformers, Squishmallow, or something that is another big brand. Remember that anytime you scan a product on Amazon and that you see the request approval sign, always hit the request approval sign, as you never know which brands and categories Amazon will auto approve you for. If you want access to free ungating guides for other brands and categories, along with over 1,500 auto ungate ASINs, you can access that stuff in the free community, which again is linked on my page along within the description. If you haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you never miss another one of my videos. And for now, let's go ahead and show you how you can get approved step by step to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024. So to get you approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024, we're going to use Lego's website directly. And if you use any manufacturer's website, you will be approved to sell on Amazon that brand, as long as that website does supply an invoice, and Lego does supply an invoice. So here we are looking at Lego keychains, and the reason we're using Lego keychains is because that is what I specifically use myself, and also the keychains are usually the cheapest option that Lego has. You can scroll through all of these different keychains and find the ones that are selling for a premium on Amazon so that you can make a few dollars or break even. But remember, when you're getting approved to sell big names or categories, it's not really about making money. It's about getting approved to sell that brand so in the future that you can make money. So here we're going to use the Ghost Spider keychain and the Spider-Man keychain and just see if these are selling on Amazon also. Now we're over on Amazon and we can see that the Spider-Man keychain is selling for $10.99 and that the Marvel Ghost Spider keychain is selling for $13.49, but the buy box is actually $15 right now. The reason I'm showing you two different options is because over on the Lego website, when we click in on this, you're going to see that the order limit is 5. But the good news is you don't have to buy 10 of the same item. You can mix and match as long as it's the same brand. And all of these are branded Lego. So you could buy 3, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 5 sets of 2. It doesn't matter which keychains you buy as long as they equal a quantity of 10 once you place your order. So here we're just going to add 5 to our cart because that's the limit. And then we're going to add 5 of the Spider-Man keychain also. So now we have the Ghost Spider keychain in our cart. We're just going to click the back button and we're going to add the Spider-Man keychain also for $5.99. We're going to do 5 of these and add it to our bag. And now we're just going to click view bag. You're going to see that we have 5 of each in here, a total of $60. And you can also see that this is 5 and 5, which equals the 10 that we need. So here in our cart, you can add any promos if you have it, and you can also enter your zip code to see how much shipping is going to be. So now we're just going to hit checkout securely, and this is where it gets really important to pay attention to detail, because you either need to sign in or register, and all the information you input on the Lego account has to match your Amazon account exactly, otherwise the invoice will not work. So once you do that, if you need to register, you just hit register, you fill out all of this information, you create your account, and then you simply just buy the product. And again, make sure the information you input here is exactly what you have on your Amazon seller account also. So now we're just going to head over to Amazon and I'm going to show you how to upload your invoice. So now we're on Amazon and you can see we have the Lego Spider-Man keychain. And if you are in this situation like we are here and you buy 2 separate items, you do not have to submit 2 invoices, but just 1 invoice. And here you can see I can already sell this product. So I'm just going to show you what it would look like if I was not able to sell this product. So here's an Adidas product I am not able to sell with the apply to sell option, which is probably what you're going to see when you input the ASIN on Amazon for the Lego keychain. We're just going to click apply to sell. And now all you want to do is hit request approval. So once you hit request approval, this is what pops up. And you just have to check all of these boxes showing that you do have this information. And then you select the file. So I would just upload the Lego invoice that I downloaded off of their website. And then down here in the optional comments, I usually just like to type something like, I look forward to selling this brand on Amazon. And then you enter your email address associated with your Amazon seller account. You enter your phone number if you want, and then you just hit submit invoice. It's really that simple. If you're denied at first, just resubmit the invoice again. As long as the information on your Lego account and your Amazon seller account match, sometimes invoices get denied the first time, but just keep resubmitting and eventually it will be approved. I've submitted the same invoice over 25 times before I was finally approved to sell a brand. So don't get discouraged. Keep submitting the same invoice. So this is step by step how you can get approved to sell Lego on Amazon in 2024. And if you want to get approved to sell other big name toy brands like Barbie, Hasbro, or Hot Wheels, I highly suggest using Target.com. Target.com is one of the only websites I've used to get ungated in toys, and it has a 100% success rate. If you enjoyed today's video, then go ahead and please like, subscribe, and share this video. It would help me so much more than you know. And also go ahead and join the free Amazon community linked on my page. It provides so much value from setting up your account, getting ungated, auto ungate ASINs, and so much more. It really is everything I wish I had as an Amazon seller when I first started out, and I'm charging you $0, so you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Go ahead and join the free Amazon community linked on my page. I can't wait to see you there, and remember, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I'm Daniel. I'll see you guys next time.